With the window open, it's even better as well, just so you're not breathing any sort of toxins or fumes. Also, I just want to say, by using this glue, I do get asked a lot of the time, is it food safe? Well, I personally wouldn't. I think it's great for doing decorative pieces, but this won't be used again, because of course if you put it into also if you put it into some warm water, the glue is going to soften and it's going to break apart again, so you don't really want to be using it for food afterwards. So it's more for decorative. So actually that's slotted in quite nicely, so I think I'm just going to hold that there. Again, just go but sort of almost by ear. I'll move that out of the way now. Let's take this piece here. I do find porcelain is definitely tricky to do